Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Pisces. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your general energies, guys. This is for your general energy, guys. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. We will open the card at last, guys. Pisces, for your general energies. The Fool. Pisces, the energy with this card for your general energies, guys, is that today you may be rushing towards certain decisions, guys. Something really immature or thoughtless on your side. You are heading towards some new beginnings, guys, something adventurous, and you are rushing towards that. You want to take up those paths, and you are very interested to take that up, and you have many opportunities coming your way, but you need to be clear, guys, on what is your choice. With this card we see here that you are deciding some things immaturely without that deep thought. So based on your instincts, based on your likes, you are making those decisions, but with any important decisions you need to have that clear thinking. So that is the guidance here, guys. So you have to think deeply before stepping into some new opportunity or adventure or whatever choices that you're making today, Pisces. Let us see what this may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. Let us see what it is. We'll open the card for your career situation. It is Six of Cups in reverse. With this card, the energy is that, guys, you are quickly getting that success goals, whatever is supposed to come in the future, it is there before the timeline. Something really happy, some achievements are coming your way before the timeline, guys. So whatever you were expecting in future is reaching you today, guys. Something happy, something to be really happy about. So some positive turn of events are expected here, guys, in your career situation. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Six of Wands. So with this card here, the energy is that, guys, you are feeling really successful and happy today, guys, and you are happy for the way you are in this relationship. You share that understanding, love, and you have a great compatibility. And maybe sometimes you may be giving yourself too much credit for the situation. You may feel that you are the reason for making this relationship work, guys. Maybe it is time you appreciate the other person also. So a relationship is always a work of two people, so each one has to do their part. Only then it will be that happy positive relationship. So you need to give them credit and appreciate their role in this relationship. That is what they feel here, guys, or this is what you may feel about this person in your relationship. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance card, guys. So this card will relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. No place like home. So with this card, Pisces, the energy is that whatever decisions you take or whatever you do in your life, guys, you have to do it with that authenticity, whatever you truly feel within yourself. So when you do that, when you are comfortable with the way you are, what you speak, what your actions are based on the truth, you will feel that safety and security in your situation, guys. So even in this relationship, when you show that your authentic self in this relationship, and when it is reciprocated the same way, and when you build this relationship on honesty and that true understanding, heart to heart understanding, you will add beauty and love to this relationship, both of you, and this relationship will take a positive turn. So it will be a successful relationship, guys, a positive successful relationship. And even in your work situation, whatever actions you do, whatever choices you make, it should be based on the truth within yourself. So when you are based working from that truth about your decisions, whatever it is, when it is based on what you want to do in your life, when you do that, you will welcome both success and failure, whatever comes out of it, happily. And when you have that happiness, when you do not expect what is the result, and when you have that happiness in your situation, it will help you to attract prosperity in your life, guys. So whatever comes towards you will always be something good. So that is the energy with this card. So you need to be truthful, we need to have that honest intentions in our work, and we need to build that honest, trustworthy understanding in our relationship, guys, to make things work, to make us feel secure and safe. So that is the reading for you all, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.